the most powerful queen in Indonesian mythology, worshipped across Java, Bali and Sunda, Nyai Roro Kidul. She wasn't always a sea goddess. Once she was Princess Dewi Kadita, but a jealous stepmother cursed her with hideous snakeskin. She waded into the water. Suddenly, gigantic waves crashed down, dragging her into the dark, sinister depths. She was tossed like a pebble in the relentless current, unable to breathe. But then, everything stopped. Floating weightlessly, the warm waters cradled her. Her skin tingled. The curse was lifted, and she could breathe. Cured, she felt no grudge, only gratitude. She knew she belonged to the ocean. The spirits heard her desire and crowned her queen and guardian of the Southern Sea. Reborn as Nyai Roro Kidul, she built a vast underwater empire. She can shapeshift from a snake to a beautiful woman and command the mighty ocean waves. She protects the creatures of the deep but commands absolute respect and fear. Would you dare swim in her ocean?